So this part is now covered, and what next do we now need to do is let's come back on. Yeah, so we have been working with nodes and streams. We have built a stream also. This is rather simple that we have done, and now we intend to provide stream descriptions running streams. So we ran the stream also, and the stream description, where is the stream description? Okay, so for this entire stream, I'm selecting it and right click, and let us add new comment. So what is this? Which stream is this? Well, descriptives of quantitative parameters iris. So that is the stream description that we have taken. Again, how did we come here? I selected the entire stream through selection. I right clicked on it. I clicked on new comment. That brought me over here. And then I typed in the data. So I'm deleting that. Oops. Okay. Here, and I'm right clicking and I'm selecting delete. That is now deleted. So this is how you provide us the description. Control S. Yeah. This is how you provide the description to your stream that you have built. Let's click on stream 1 here. You don't need stream 1, so I select this and I click on flow stream. So out here we have the iris analysis that we have conducted. And this is the iris parameters that were generated. So I think I will minimize this. Now working with models. So let us click on modeling. Now these are the different kinds of models that are available to us out here. And there is a very wide spread of models that they have provided us in this modeling software modeling package. So which of these models do you want to use? Let us take linear. It will constructs an automatic linear modeling model. If you click on linear AS, what is that supposed to mean? Linear engine model builder node which runs in analytics server. Then we also have a regression model. Constructs a predictive linear regression model. We also have C5.0. What is that? Constructs a predictive decision tree or rule set under the C5 algorithm. So again, these are all the available models that they have. They have also segregated them as supervised or association models or segmentation models. So depending upon your application, you can choose to decide which kind of model do you intend to use. So again, let's come back on all. I'm selecting regression. So I'm bringing here. If I want, what I'll do is from here to here. So I'm again right clicking this connect. I'm drawing from filter to the regression here. And now out here it's given. What is it given? There are no targets set or provided, right? Let's right click on this. I click on edit. I click on fields. Use custom field assignments. I select the target. So what target do you want to select? So sepal width. And what are the splits? Sepal length, petal length, and petal width. Click apply and I click OK. Do you have any partition? No, we don't have any partition. Okay. I click apply and I click OK. Now see, still there are no targets. It's showing here. So let's right click on this. Let's click on edit. What are the inputs? Well, we are taking the inputs. The output is what? Sepal width. I'm taking petal length and sepal length. Okay. I click OK. Again, there is out here no targets. So any and every time when you read here there is no targets, it means that there is some error that is happening. So again, right click on this, click on edit, partition. We have no partitions. And for the splits, I think even if you don't have any splits, that's fine. See, sepal width, sepal length, and petal length. So we can remove these two because what you are having as splits cannot be part of target and input. I click apply model. Yes, we are sticking with the default setting of model. Fine. So this all is what we have for partition. None. Apply. Click OK. Now let's come here and click run. See again. Output field sepal width is incomplete. Type insufficiently specified for sepal length, petal length, and sepal width. So this is what you call as working with models. You may pick any model, but you'll have to set its types and parameters right. Oops, sorry. Connect. On edit. And now again, we come back on what? There is one more thing that we may not have done. I click on iris. Okay. So what are the types here? Well, we have not selected any of the types here, right? And that could also be one of the reasons that we are having errors and issues with the regression model that we've taken. Now pay attention here. If you click on read values, most likely your no targets values could change. So let's click on read values. Yeah, see, you can see that this is now sepal width. When I say sepal width, it means it's your target variable. Now, why did we click on read values? Because the values were missing for the given fields, although their measurements were provided. So if I click on preview, right now that's your preview. We have around how many? 10 rows they have provided, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are provided. And I click OK. Click apply, and I click OK. Now let us run the sepal width. So I right click on this and I click run. Yes, it is now executing. So you can see that only this particular stream is getting executed. We are not executing this stream. Now let's see how long will it take to complete. It's not a very big data set. But then again, this is a slight bit of a problem that it consumes lots and lots of resources, and output can take too long to generate, which is not quite the case with many other softwares. The only advantage that we have with IBM's SPSS Modeler is the coding or programming is completely eliminated. So now let's see how long will it take, because it's the execution that is generally taking lots and lots of resources. And now it is showing only 50% complete. So you'll have to patiently wait for this to complete. Meanwhile, what I can also do is I can open a new stream, and I can continue for you all with adding comments and annotations to nodes and streams and things like that. So let us go there and with that, because this is taking slightly long. So I'm opening a new stream, and what am I naming this stream as? We can save the stream as iris. We'll keep this as iris only. It's a stream file.sdrs extension. I click save. Aha, finally it has generated the output. Now you can see here, what do you see here? This is a nugget that has been created. Okay, so if I double click on this, there, see, this is the output that has been generated. So what all have we generated here? Well, there is a correlation out here, and then you have the number of record splits, number of fields used. This is what all of this is in ascending order. Okay, and so when I click on summary, when I click on annotations, let's click on model only first. So we are seeing here that this is your model that it has generated. So how is it generated? Into this plus petal length into this, and 2.314. So which kind of, this is a regression model any which way. Okay, so we had only one predictor vector target variable. We had only one target variable, and we had two of these were predictor variables. So the predictor variables are shown with their corresponding slopes, and this is 2.314 is what? It is its y-intercept. So if we are to build it, then we'll write the equation as what? Wait, let's come back here. Where's it gone? Let's come here. Let's click on edit fields. Now sepal width is what? Sepal width is your target variable, and sepal length and petal length, they are your input variables. Okay, So sepal width is equal to what? How will you write this equation? Sepal width is equal to sepal length into 0.14 1458 sepal length plus not plus, it's a minus out here because it's a negative. So minus 0.102 times petal length and plus 2.314. 2.314 is the y-intercept. So that is how your equation will look like or appear. But the more important aspect to this is that we have generated the output and the regression output has been generated. And so fine, we'll save this. We'll have to keep saving it. See out here, the model has been generated. That is the sepal width model. These are the other outputs. Preview from Iris JSON. And so fine, I will mention over here. We'll add a comment here again now. Where do we stand now? Yes, we are adding comments and annotations. And then thereafter, we are saving the data streams. So right click, no, not this. Yeah, on this nugget, right click. We can, yeah, there is a new comment that we can add here. So that, what is this? This is the model, the regression model equation. For what? This is a regression equation model equation, right? For, wait, sepal width, yeah. Why sepal width? Because, yeah, that is a target variable for sepal width. That is equal to what? Sepal length plus petal length, right? Yes, sepal length plus petal length. But how? We need to have their variables also. So let's double click on this. It's the model that we have. Yeah, these are the build settings also they have provided. This is the training settings summary also. Welcome to this a little later. Explain all this also. For now, we'll stick on this. Inputs were what and the splits. Petal width was a split. Division by model. Okay. So now these are the we are only sorting this based on the model or graph. You can also sort it as a petal width, and it'll show up over here. So right, that is what your equation is. 2.34, that is a y-intercept, minus 0.102, that is a petal length, and plus there was a 0.208 multiplied by petal width, sepal width. So this is a regression model that we have generated over here. And this is already added to the stream, so we don't need to add it any separately with the stream. Come here and you click on run again. So it is again generating the same equation. Let it take its time, no problem. Meanwhile, we'll come back on Iris. Let's come back on Iris and let us also work towards adding saving the data stream. Now we already saved the data stream, so we don't need this anyway. I'll close this stream. Yeah, we'll stick with only this stream. It's just taking a bit of time. Now again, we are running this model again. Okay, so there is not much of a change. But what did we learn or study today? We worked across nodes. That's a source node. That's your field ops node. That is your output node. That is your modeling node. And No, we don't have any export node yet. Let's see if we can add export node over here. But till that, let this model run. Right. So that is the output that has been generated. Right click on this on view data, that it will open that window. Yeah. So there is not much of a change. Yeah. It's retrieving your data that we have. That's the spreadsheet data that is provided. And these are the different charts. But okay, we are not coming on to this yet. But this is how your regression model should appear or look like. So, that's what iris parameters. Okay, this is done. Review from sepal width, yes. Review from GS1 node, close. And then you have the streams for iris analysis. And fine. So this is what we have as far as today's session is concerned. And yes, let us take a quick review again. Yes, we worked with model streams and everything and annotations, right? So fine, let us come here, right click on edit, and let us add annotation. So what annotation do you want to add? Custom sepal width model budget. Any tooltip text or keywords and all that? No, we don't have. Apply. I click OK. Okay, so that's the annotation that we've added over here. You can see it, and I'm clicking save.